Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I have a DIY designer unboxing for you today. I'm super excited. I don't do them as often as I used to. They get pretty expensive and you don't always get the best stuff, but the last probably 3 or 4 I've gotten have been pretty good. So I'm super psyched, and I'm especially psyched because this box is a bigger box. So it might mean a purse or a larger jacket or something. I'm super excited. The box has smashed a little bit. I mean, look at this, is so funny. Look at this box. It's been through some trials and tribulations trying to make it to me. This is the funniest part of all right here, the back. It looks like someone really got mad and tossed it across the street. So I don't know. I've never had a problem with denting like on the products or whatever though. So, all right. I hope this really is a DIY designer box. All right, while I'm opening this up, I am Stephanie. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, and I sell on YouTube as well. I sell more and more on my YouTube channel, which is super fun. Anytime I sell on my YouTube channel, it'll be less than what I would start at listing at on eBay. So, all right. By day, I do marketing for a software company, a nationwide software company. So, okay. We got the box open. Let's just see. The smashed box. Oh, here we go. We're going to do a first look here. And I see that star. You know what that means. Golden Goose. Woo-hoo-hoo! Actually, I'm going to set this down here because it's such a big box. It's kind of hard. We're going to start out with the old Golden Goose here. Oh my gosh. Anytime I get Golden Goose in one of these boxes, I'm extremely happy. And these look very close to new. Oh my gosh, day has been made. Look at these shoes. Look at the leather. You know Golden Goose are designer shoes, and they are made to look worn when you buy them new. So these, as a matter of fact, I don't think they've got much wear at all. Not much at all. Look at this. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're really gorgeous. And the green tag means that they were authenticated already. Okay, I'm going to go, so High Star is the name of these, and they're a size 36. I noticed that this by the way, this is how you find out what the size is on a pair of Golden Goose. You have to take this out and look beneath it. Take the insole out. Anyway, they're purple in the back, they're glittery in the front, they've got a golden kind of orange rust colored star. They're leather. They're really, really nice. I mean, now I got to get the... Okay, there we go. I got it. There's the toes so you can see them. Wow, I am stoked about these. These will probably pay for the whole box. Yay. I am so stoked about those. Okay, well, you know, I didn't see a lot of other big things in here, but well, I guess we're going to find out. All right, next up is, oh my gosh. Next up is a Dolce & Gabbana shirt. Oh, it's great. It is a Oxford button-down shirt. I don't know if it's men's. Oh, it's women's. It's got the, you know, it goes in at the waist. So it is a women's shirt. I can already see there's a couple marks on it. But the great news is I'm pretty good at getting stuff out of, you know, getting stains out of clothing. I'm going to just show you, like, there's one of the, I really got to get up close because it's hard to see. There's a couple very minor marks on this, and I can live with that. What is the size? It's a size 46. I can live with that too. Oh my gosh. Okay, and next time I see these available, I'm gonna buy another one of these boxes. Lately they've been rocking these boxes. I don't see anything wrong outside of those few stains, and then there's some right up front here. There's also, I don't know why my camera's not showing you this very well, but there's very minor markings there. I can get that out and without damaging the shirt. So, you know, the number one key to not ruining a shirt or any clothing is to not put it in the dryer. So washing it on delicate and not putting it in the dryer usually will do it. So this is a great find. I'm loving this. Wow. Okay, those 2 items make me very, very happy. What else do we have in here? All right, now we've got a Derek 10 Crosby shirt. Ooh, super cute. Or is it a dress? Might be a dress. That's really cute. Look at the sleeves on this thing. They're kind of like 3/4 sleeves with the bell sleeve on the bottom. Kind of really cute. I don't see the size on there, but I'm going to show you the tag. There's the tag. It's probably in the box because there's no size tag on it. But I'll have to look. I'll have to do some measurements on this thing. But that is, oh, I see, that's the back. Okay, so this is the front, and it is a dress. Super cute. It's great. Let's see, I wonder if they have it on the care tag. Maybe there's, yeah, probably not. Okay, I'll have to do a little searching, but that is a really pretty dress. I haven't sold a lot of Derek 10 Crosby, whatever it is. I have not sold Derek Lamb 10 Crosby. I don't think it sells for a lot, though, when you resell it, but I could be wrong. Okay, it's a nice dress. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll have to, again, once I put it on the mannequin, lots of things can be told by putting it on the mannequin. Wow. I'm not sure that I got, there's such a big hole in the bottom. I did not get 7 items. Wow. I was wrong. That box was so beat up. Something fell out of there, I think. Wow. That's too bad. I only got 5 items. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's not good. This shirt is Celine, and it's really cute. You can kind of see there are snags in it, though. That is what is wrong with this shirt. It has snags in it. I can't believe I only got 5 items. What a bummer. That is a real bummer. That is too bad. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to have to call ThredUp. Here's the 2 items that I got. Oh, there's the... Got 1 item left. 1 item left. I only got 5 items. Wow, it's going to make for a short video. Diane von Furstenberg, size 8. Diane von Furstenberg makes absolutely beautiful dresses. And it's a cute dress. I can't believe I just told you that I never had a problem with things falling out, and then first thing that happens is I get something with 5 items. Okay, that's great. All right, that is a sleeveless black and white dress with a cute little ruffled bottom. It's absolutely adorable. Probably has a stain or something somewhere, but I really don't see any stain. So, it could be one that they tried to sell and it just didn't sell, so they put it in a box. That could be, that happens too. So, so that is that. So there's my 5 items that I paid $150 for. Wow, that's disappointing. All right. Well, I mean, I do like a couple of the items I got, but I'm actually in shock. What could have been in there? I don't know. So, I will contact ThredUp and see what they say about that. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in buying anything, just go ahead and send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. And if you like my content, usually I get all the items I'm supposed to get. So please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you so much and have a great day.